Whither, mist falling dew, why glow the heavens with the last steps of day? Far, through the rosy deeps, dost thou pursue their solitary way? Vainly the faller's eye might mark thy distant flight to do the wrong, as, darkly painted on the crimson sky, thy figure floats along. Seek'st thou the plush brink of Widy Lake, or marge of river wide, or where the rocking billows rise and sink on the chopped ocean side? There's a power whose care teaches the way along that pathless coast, the desert and illimitable air, lone wandering but not lost. All day thy wing have fanned, at that far height, the cold thin atmosphere. Yet stoop not, weary, to the welcome land, though the dark night is near, and soul, that toil shall end. Soon shalt thou find a summer home, and rest, and scream among thy fellows, reed shall bend, soon o'er thy sheltered nest. Dart gone the habits of heaven, hath swallowed up thy form, yet, on my heart, deeply hath sunk the lesson thou hast given, and should not soon depart. He who, from zone to zone, guides through the boundless sky thy certain flight, in the long way that I must tread alone, will lead my step aright.